What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $100 per day online for free. Yes, for free, not going to cost you a thing. All it costs you is your time. That's the only investment you need to make, is a time investment. So how can you do this? Well, I'm going to show you two different sites that you can get on right now. One, you can sign up and you start answering questions, which is going to help you make money. The second site is an affiliate network that you can sign up for and start promoting their products. So let me show you exactly how this works. All right. So the first site, like I said, you're going to answer questions. That site is called Quora.com. Okay, you can see it right here. The reason why I want to show you this site is because it's absolutely free and it works. Okay, I've been doing this for a little while and it's been very effective. Okay, now not on my Homemade Entrepreneur Quora account. Okay, that one I hardly ever do anything. I think I answered one question. So on that one, don't look at that one as an example. But I'm going to show you how this whole thing works and why it's so effective that you can start making money right now. So it's actually pretty simple. We're going to use Quora, but we're also going to use the affiliate network called ClickBank. Okay, for this exact example, we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace and we're going to look up some fitness products. Okay, actually we're going to go for weight loss. Okay, let me type that in. Weight loss right here. Yoga weight loss secrets. Let's see, winning the game of weight loss. No. New unique weight loss method. We're going to click on that one. That's going to be the one that we are going to promote. Okay, right here. Simple. Okay, there it is. Now, really, I'm not going to promote this one. I haven't bought it, have not looked at this, don't know anything about it. But for this example, what I want to show you is how would we, so all I would do is winning the game of weight loss, I'd click promote, and I'd take that link and I'd be promoting it over here on Quora. Here's how it works. Okay, I type in weight loss. So my topic is weight loss. As soon as I do that, click on answer. What this is going to allow me to do is answer a bunch of these questions. Okay, and here's what you need to understand. Just because you answer a question does not make it where somebody's going to buy whatever it is you're promoting. Again, I talked about ClickBank, I talked about getting the link, but let me show you how it works, how you pull all this stuff together. So on weight loss, again, I'm gonna write an answer, but I'm not actually gonna submit that answer. Okay, so what are some light fat burning exercises you can do right in bed? Okay, let's click answer. Let me come up with something really quick, and let's see. Now, this is not like a great answer, okay? What are some light fat burning exercises you can do right in bed? Now, I would actually think about this a little bit more before I submit the answer, but I would do something like that, okay? And then I'd write, if you need more help on losing weight, then I highly recommend you check out my profile here so that you can see all the products and I recommend for weight loss. Okay, something like that. If you need more help on losing weight, then I highly recommend you check out my profile here so that you can see all the products I recommend for weight loss. Now, here is my profile right there. Okay, you can see it right here. Now, this is not set up for weight loss, and I'm not going to show you my thing on fitness. Okay, I'm not going to go and divulge that information. But what I would do is I would take the link that I get right here. Okay, either winning the game of weight loss. I do that. Maybe I do hypnosis for easy weight loss. I do that one. I do another one. Perfect weight forever. Those three. I take the links of those and I would put it here inside my profile, okay? And when I do that, by answering the questions the way I did right here, what's going to happen is people are going to go to my profile. But here's the key. Here's the kicker. This is one of the reasons why I think I've been getting a little bit more people over to my profile than some people's. I take this and I copy that link to my profile page and I paste it right in here, okay? And so I'm going to add it right in here, okay? There we go. There it is, okay? So now it's there. By doing this, okay, what happens is even though when somebody answers a question, here, let me show you really quick. Type in belly fat loss, okay? Was your best tip right there. Let's click on that. Even though when somebody answers a question, they still have their picture right here. So you can go over to their profile, okay? And it works. But what I've seen, what I've noticed, okay, and again, I'm not like the guru on Quora or anything, but what I've noticed by just from doing it myself is that the majority of times when I post a link, so again, this one's pretty good. When I post a link inside my answer, okay, to my actual profile, what happens is more people will actually go to that and click on the links inside my profile. Now, here's one thing I want to address that is huge and a lot of people have been, I think, misinformed about. So one of the things I think a lot of people have heard is that Quora allows you to post affiliate links inside your answer. And they do, that's 100% correct, they allow it. However, they will ban your account, they will suspend you if they find that you are putting too much effort into the affiliate link side compared to the answer. So if you have an answer that is 3 paragraphs long, okay, it's very short, very brief, not much value, if whoever goes and checks the answer sees and deems that it's not really valuable information, you're just trying to direct people through that affiliate link, they will suspend your account. That is if you are doing your affiliate link inside the answer. Now, I have also seen where people are promoting things like maybe like Bitcoin or some make money online kind of scams, and those people get suspended as well. But as long as you're doing something that is credible, such as you're helping somebody lose weight and you're not selling them a magic pill that they take and 2 days later they're 50 pounds lighter. Don't lie to them, don't promise them the world when you're going to give them a jelly bean that they're going to gain weight from, all right? Don't do that. Okay, you do not want to get your account suspended, especially if you're putting hours and hours of it into this question and answer site, because this is all about building consistency, providing value, because if you provide value, just like, let me show you this, just like this person right here that spent all the time doing this, okay, putting in pictures and making it look all nice, and look at this, okay, if you do this and you provide an affiliate link at the bottom, I don't think anyone's going to care. But if you do this, or if you don't do this and you provide just like from here to here and you put an affiliate link somewhere in the middle, Quora is probably going to shut you down. So don't think that you're going to get away with that. But what you can do is put a link here talking about, make sure you go check out my profile, because I talk about other effective ways to lose weight. By getting people over to your profile, okay, getting them over here, what's going to happen is chances are people are going to click on your link. Now this is the one I just send people to YouTube. I do not get very many people that come from Quora, from this account, to my YouTube channel. I don't care. This is what I use to kind of explain the process. Okay, I've shown many people how to do this. The people that do it correctly are making money. So let me give you a tip. Now, let's say you're promoting a weight loss product. It could be a physical product, something you're selling on Amazon. It could be something you sell from your own website. Maybe a little trinket you make from your garage and you sell online. Fantastic. Whatever it is you're trying to sell and make money from, it's still possible. But you need to be consistent. When I say consistent, I'm talking about, don't go on to Quora.com on Monday and try to answer 50 questions and be done for the entire week. Could you do that and could you make money? Yes. But can you be consistent and answer 10 questions on Monday, 10 on Tuesday, Wednesday, 10 on Thursday, 10 on Friday, maybe 10 over the course of the weekend. So you answered 60 as opposed to 50, but you were answering questions every single day. The reason why this is more effective is because you are on there every single day. You're getting in front of multiple people, not just the same person asking the same question, but in a different way. Okay, how to lose weight. One question. Quick ways to drop pounds. Same person, same kind of answer, but you get this, it's pretty much the same response. Okay, that's what happens when you do 50 questions in one day. Okay, now, second tip is if you want to make money, my suggestion to you is to get people over to your profile, because if you can add value in the answer, that is one step. That's one pretty much touching point where you got in front of that person. Great, fantastic, good job for you. The second thing you want to do is get them over to your profile so they can read a little bit about you, see what you're recommending or suggesting. They can click on those links and then head over to ClickBank or Amazon or somewhere else and buy the affiliate product that you're recommending so that you can get your commission, but they can also get the result that they're after, whether it's losing weight, whether it's making more money, whether it's buying their first investment property, whatever it is, doesn't matter. But as long as you're adding value in those two places, the answer and your profile, you can be successful and you can make money. So if you're still watching this, okay, 11, 12 minutes in, however long we're in, okay, what I want to show you is, I want to show you my course. It's called Affiliate Marketing Monsters. It's an affiliate marketing course, teaches you everything to know about affiliate marketing. The course is normally $299 today, and for the rest of this month, it is $49. The reason why I'm doing this is because after the end of March, this course is gone forever. Okay, I will be pulling it off. It will no longer be available to buy, but you can still have access to it. You can still go to it, but as long as you get in now. Okay, again, normally $299. Okay, you can enroll in the course. Right now it's 84% off. You can read all about it. Use the link down in the description box below. That will get you to this page, show you everything you need to know about it. Plus, it's gonna show you, okay, it's gonna put the price at $49. Okay, you have to buy it through this link. If you do not buy it through this link, you will not get access to it for $49. It's gonna cost you $299. Okay, so use the link. Now I know a lot of people out there who want to make money online, and they're always looking for a new way, a new business idea, a new method, new strategy. But when you think about it, when you take a step back and look at everybody that's making money, usually it's the most effective strategy is not the one that costs the most money. It's not the one that's most glamorous that everybody's talking about. The thing that is most effective is just being consistent. I can tell you right now, consistency is not sexy. Consistency, there's nothing glamorous about it. But it's going to pay your bills. It's going to put money in your pocket. It's going to pay for your house. It's going to pay for your fancy car. It's going to pay for your nice lavish vacation. It's going to pay for all that stuff. But you got to put in the work, all right? So hopefully this video kind of answers your questions as to how to make $100 per day online for free, okay? You can make $100 per day. That's $3,000 a month. That is not a lot of money, okay? When you look at it, that is not a lot of money. $100 a day is not a lot. But it can change your life, okay? It's going to put you in that path to take that. You'll go from $0 to $100, $100 to $250, $250 to $1,000 a day. You will get there. But again, it all comes down to consistency. So if you have any questions on how to make money online, let me know. You can ask your questions down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them the best that I can. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.